There we go. There we go. Okay. Let's share these photos. Where are you? This tab here. Yeah. All right. Let's see. We got sound. That's one. Do we have sound? Yes. Okay. I got sound. All right. Let's see what the fuck we. You still there, bro? No, I was just making sure you still there. I'm make sure I don't cut you. On what? On NQ? 18. Yes. I hear you, bro. I hear you. Yeah, I mean, it is what it is, bro. I can't do anything unless there's no entries unless I'm like my entry points. Taking what? Let's see what we um we're nowhere near any lines on the 30. Let's start with that. We're nowhere near any lines on the one. Uh well, actually on YM we are at the lines. All right, so with that being said, but it's above. So gonna watch that. YM is the only person at the line right now. 1 minute, 3 minute. Who do we have at the line? We have nobody at the line. 3 minutes. We have the 18-minute setup. I still am aware of that. Um, 6 minute, 6 minute as a it's going through the line, but it has more than three candles. So that is excluded from the equation. That's NQ. All right, so NQ is the only thing remotely close to what I'm looking for, and it's only showing 18 minutes. So I'm going to focus on that primarily to see if we can't figure out the uh, the sweep that's, that should be occurring based on the strategy that should be occurring. See if we can catch these fucking buys. All right, so slide back, leave this 18-minute chart up on the side. Everybody, we're gonna watch that. We just got a gap up and a drop down. Okay. So I'm gonna wait for this 18. This bitch is gap down. Uh, I'm gonna drop different hopefully, NQ comes down toward the or ES or somebody comes down toward their EMA, so we can get a better look or a better entry based on the actual entry points that uh, I'm trying to use. So, market is about to shift open now. I'm gonna watch this 18. I want to see how that shit reacts. We got the same candle closure here. Um, I'm gonna mark out the bottom with that 18-minute candle. watch it very fucking thoroughly right now. In fact, I'll pull my hand up to see if we get any gap down anywhere in the leg to be able to pull the trigger. And we have action. We have action. Let's see how far YMs go. Let's see how far yes, to go right down before they continue to fucking go to the fucking ones. Work that out right there. So they kind of closure. Okay, so everybody is sweeping the fucking priority count right this very second. That's on the 18, of course. Uh, what's important is the closures. So uh, let's see why I'm superb this morning. YM is coming into our MMA on the one the bottom side. Matter of fact, YM already fucking gave the fucking sweep one. What I want, it's got to happen on the 18 to be valid. So, or maybe not necessarily. Let's see. I think I'm about to pull this trigger, dude. This is funny. Yeah, I mean it's based on. I'm looking at the 18, but it's based on fucking 1 minute. So Jesus Christ, but you see, NQ ain't following suit on what it's supposed to be fucking doing right now. So yeah, that's what I'm waiting for shit. They're trying to wipe people out at 9:30, bro. That's what I'm saying. This shit don't usually just happen right at then 9:30. Let's tap into that zone. Now, don't forget we got the zone at 8:50 now. Don't forget about that one. On the 1 minute NQ, we got that zone down there. Pattern happened already. Yep. See, that's exactly why I need one to gap on me down some more based on the 18. That'd be awesome. So that 8:51 setup that we used for the entry on the line, it just came to it. I need to put a fucking. The same kind of closure, even know what it was. 32. Jesus Christ. 8:51. Fuck. Yeah. Right. I got the gap down sweep on the 1 minute on YM right now. Let's see if they want to close this. That's on the 1 minute. Yeah, this right here is like fucking weird as fuck. Like, uh, I ain't got a fucking candle closure above my volume down shit. Why? Pull this fucking trigger to the bottom side. Uh, you're gonna wait for it. I don't have any choice but to wait for it. And that's based on the 1 minute. Trying to calculate it off of the fucking 18 minute, of course. But shit, you need to be fucking missing based on what these motherfuckers doing. But macro's still coming up. So I'm cool with watching this motherfucker. I'm tired of fucking like errors based on Russia. And I'm seeing these motherfuckers all over the place. So, but by the time 18 motherfucker do it, that bitch will be already fucking gone. Is it on the line? Yeah, but it ain't got three candle patterns, bro. There ain't you're only looking for the same pattern, bro. I don't care about any lows, I don't care about anything else, bro. Yeah, I'm looking at why I am on the one minute, bro. I'm looking at it. There ain't the pattern ain't there though. I mean, I see the low, but I got five candles to a closure below it. That don't count for anything. Um, at what high? I'm trying to figure out what high you talking about. On YM? I mean, what's so special about it? Yeah, I don't know. I don't see anything that has no bearing on the system. Yeah, because if it had closed above the fucking volume imbalance at 931, we'd have something. But till that, now we got a new volume imbalance that's going down. So I mean, uh, I got us coming back down. This is gonna be short lived, dude. If anything about these first, maybe not. I see you gonna take off in the morning, going about them motherfucking goddamn merry little way. So uh, so even if they did take off, I just glanced at the 15 second, but uh, well, I am already fucking fell down below that motherfucker, dude. Um, but we gotta have that second. The 15 second got the pattern on the right fucking pattern, dude. This is the goddamn shit. Fuck you supposed to do. Somebody got to come back down for me to do something. YM just gave the fucking entry at 937 to go up, but I can't pull that trigger on Q based on what the hell and Q just did. Hell, man, that shit is way out there, bro. I mean, it is what it is. I'm not fucking. I'm not trying to do one of those again that day. I'm not fucking set up and let it roll. And they fucking could keep going, bro. I ain't even sitting here and bullshit you. Let me check that 18. Let me check that 18 minute again. 18 minute gapped up, but it didn't. It swept. Matter of fact, it gapped up, but it swept liquidity as it gapped up, bro. That shit might keep fucking going on 18, dude. But I can't pull the figures off of 18. I gotta go back. So yeah, but it didn't sweep a low. It's got to gap down, or at least be equal to. Yeah, gap up. Don't count where I'm at, unless it gaps all the way up to that 934 volume imbalance. But I still wouldn't even take that, bro. Look how far NQ is out of fucking whack, dude. Nah, bro. So if people were trading supply and demand, they'd be waiting. They wouldn't be entering and stuff. I understand how they work. You know what I'm saying? It's got to come back down to at least the fucking 31 candle. one for them. So, but I'm watching YM pull to the line right now. This is why I say this line is important, bro. Everything is gonna happen from my line. So no matter what these motherfuckers doing, somebody has to react from the line in order for us to pull the trigger. Now, if we get a fucking green candle to go through this fucking high right now, because it just gapped down on YM on the 1 minute, and we using the bodies to tell the story, that's if it gives us to it. It already went above now. So unless it does it on the next candle. So uh but I gotta have that gap down somewhere. Somebody has to give me a gap down. And preferably it needs to be YM. But it didn't give that shit. It didn't sweep that fucking low like it was supposed to. 37 and 936 on the 1 minute. No, that is not gonna fly. Not gonna fly at all. They gotta come back. I'm gonna trust the system to know that it's gonna come back because the system has shown me that it always comes back to create that green candle lower gap down 4 inches always. So with that in mind, let's see how it rolls. But I'm still also looking at that damn what's happening on the 1 minute now. It just printed a high on the 1 minute on YM as well now, just now. So if we get the next candle to open up, not this one, but the next one to blaze up after this one closes, yeah, we got something at that point. That changes that gap down at the bottom for me. Hopefully it don't close above this swing high at 940. Hopefully it closes right here and then gives another green candle continuation. That'd be awesome. Like so awesome. Shit. Close right there, bro. Don't go. Oh, hold on. Wait. Okay, there you go. Now you can go. Now we got a gap up from the bottom originally. We got it gapped up on the same candle that's printing right now. So if it closes above, we got gaps in the line above to go through that. That'd be awesome. But like I said, that low is where it's at down there. But let's see if they give this green candle a closure above through that swing high right there for the 3 candle pattern. And then I'm gonna rock and roll just off that 1 minute alone if they give it to us. Shit, they gotta close first, bro. And they don't look like they're doing it. It looks like they come back down to that low that they should have created that gap down at 937. Let's see if they want to do it. Yeah, but we still gotta have 3 candle closes, bro. 3 candle closes. If this candle don't close above the 940 candle, the trade is off the table. It's off the table now. It just closed. Period. Didn't close the low. We don't have 3 candles. So now we got to reassess. Now I'm back to the original low, which is at 937. All imbalances don't count. They don't count. Not unless they only count once we get the closure. That's when you can start looking for them. You can't look for them prior. I mean, you can look for them prior, but it still has to close above. So come on back down, bro. Come on back. Come on back down to that 15 second, bro. Come on. Wipe everybody out who trade that breakout strategy. Wipe every last one of them. Come on back down. Oh, it's breaking out. We're in. Yeah, bitch. Watch what's about to happen. I break them motherfuckers out. They about to be bad as fuck. Come on back. Come on. Come on, Bubba. With your boy. With your boy. Hmm. Yeah, if they give it on fucking YN, bro, I'm still gonna pull the trigger. And just appropriate stylings. Hopefully they give us a swing low before then. Uh, if they don't give us a swing low before then it's no trade. I'm not putting my stop loss all the way down here at the fucking 44 candle. Ain't no fucking way. I mean, even if I do, you could pick all these fair value gaps. Even if you pick 50% of that motherfucker, that's still a long way, bro. Or that fucking entire leg. So it's like that. That's not gonna fly. Not for me anyway. Sit back and fucking goddamn wait. I mean, if YM gives us the sweep pattern, the drop the gap down and the close back above a volume balance, then uh, as of right now, yeah, as of right this very second, if it gives it to us right now, is what I'm saying, and that's fucking big as fuck, bro. That's a big fucking stop loss, bro. Especially if YM gives us the damn setup and sweeps the fucking uh 937 candle because we haven't got the SMT yet. Unless they already used the SMT for the 850 already. But it should be one more, dude. Is what I'm saying. So I mean, I could be wrong, but whatever. I ain't got no gap down, but yeah, I ain't got no gap down, bro. So since I ain't got the gap down that I'm looking for with the green candle and then close above, then I don't have anything. So they can go all they want to. You know, I go on my motherfucking very little way today. Shit. I think fucking see. Oh yeah, they're giving us something right now. Uh, that shit look crazy as fuck, dude. Let me see something. Let me see something. 15. I hate to look at this fucking 15. They just gave the fucking. Yeah, I just want to see where the pattern is. Just for reference, I ain't saying I'm gonna pull the trigger. I'm just looking for the fucking pattern. They're giving it to us right now. We're coming back down to that fucking 37. That's what I want in the first place, bro. Yeah, that's what I was waiting for. I'm waiting for that 37 to get swept. I need to open gap down and I need to close above. I don't want that fucking fuckery that they got at 937 right now. That shit's ugly. That shit don't fucking fly. There we go. Come on back down. All right, get me down, bro. Get me fucking down. There we go. Get me down. Close me back up. But first of all, you got to close me back way up right now. You do that. You got to close me all the way the fuck back up. It. If it gives that closure back above that volume, that's right there. I'm pulling the trigger because all parameters are being. The volume imbalance is between 940 and 950. Why? And it got down. And it stripped to 937 candle. And at that point in time, my stop loss will go below. We'll have to go below the shit 950. God damn, bro, that bitch is fucking still fucking big. I don't even want it under 950 because that means the 950 is going to get swept one more time as well. That's not going to fly. But good, YM didn't close above, so that's perfect. So, god damn, man. Yeah. Cool, cool. Put that 950 candle. YM is doing what it's supposed to do. I'm waiting for that volume bounce to get closed up at 949, bro. There's a one tick fucking gap between 949 and 950. And we're getting NQ to come below that huh? I'm looking at the 1 minute. That's what I'm looking at. Yeah. Only the first one matters, bro. So all that's green candles going up. Okay. What's the close? It ain't give us that close yet. It's got to close the bullet. But I'm about to pull the trigger, dude. And I'm about to fucking I'm about to do whatever it is. If it closes above, I'll have to find a place to put my stop loss accordingly. I'm only putting one contract on. I'm gonna let that shit run for that high. Let's see how it goes for the day. 950 won't fit is getting swept right now. Okay, I'm in right now. And, shit. Honestly, I'm gonna take. Oh fuck. This is gonna be big, bro. It's gonna be a big fucking stop loss, dude. Honestly, 947 at the lowest. At the lowest. But preferably, goddamn, the fucking 944, dude. I ain't even lie to you, dude. Damn, I put on the fucking wrong. Like, shit crazy as fuck. I was down $20. Like, why the fuck am I down? The candle's going up. Shit. I'm gonna have to sit still with it. Man, you know something? I'm about to put my shit down to 944, bro. I'm about to fucking just say fuck it. I mean, I wanted to be shallow, but I know how these motherfuckers is right now. I mean, this has been a fucking real ranging fucking fucked up candle week. I should have kept that sale on. Shit. Anyway, yeah, yeah, they're gonna get it. They might hit one more S&T down here, and let's see what they do. 947. Okay. I mean, yeah, I get it. Yeah, I mean, I chose that the first time because it was an ATT time, the most nearest one. But 46 is ATT as well. But uh, logically, they shouldn't be sweeping the 944. They should, even if they come close to it, they shouldn't be fucking sweeping the 944, bro. You know what I'm saying? And if it does, that's an SMT down there on the bottom. Somebody's gonna create an SMT down there. So do what? 940 candle. Why would you go to the 940 candle when the 944 candle is right there? The 950. Yeah, somebody needs to sweep that fucking goddamn 50 though, bro. I mean, I mean, actually, if you really needs to sweep that low, they usually don't have lows like that at 950, bro. That's what I'm saying. So that's why I'm moving down to save room for that motherfucker. But it is what it is, bro. Shit, the play's done now. Is it? I ain't micromanaging nothing. It is what it is. My stop losses are at the fucking 944 low, and that's it. And I went ahead and fucking goddamn put it for fucking three just for fucking because I fucked up the first one. And go for that. And that's gonna be if that bitch comes all the way back down, that's like a fucking $400 loss, bro. You know what I'm saying? So I mean, it is what it is. But whatever. I'm willing to take the fucking goddamn gamble because the setup is fucking there. I gotta let this motherfucker breathe. Breathing is definitely the fucking the key. 56 is they got a low at 956, bro. See, this is that fuckery I'm talking about. There should be no low at 950. There shouldn't be no low at 956. But I mean, if it works, it works. And if I need to eliminate ATT times, then I'm going to eliminate them, is what I'm saying. So, no, it's not. Nope. We're going to sit tight. I'm going to let this motherfucker do what it does. Yeah, ain't no micromanaging, bro. And we got in on no fucking 1 minute. I got to let this bitch sit for fucking at least fucking 20 to 30 minutes. Be aware 10 o'clock is coming in hot. That's a new hourly candle. A new hourly candle has to make a bottom wick. It doesn't have to make a bottom wick. It could keep on flying, but most new hourly candles have a slight pullback to make lower wicks on candles. Yeah, you should be up at least about $70 now, at least at the minimum. Yeah. The drawdown should have been fucking minimal. Should have been at this point in time. You know. Uh, here's the version. Right now we are getting that hourly pullback. Let's see how they want to play it. YM is blazing through the EMA. Yeah, you're gonna see, bro. 956 is not probably gonna stay there. Is what I'm saying, bro. Just so you can understand that those lows. Hopefully they don't do it. But if they do, you'll understand why they're sweeping 956 candle, 951 candle. You got 951 and 956. Yeah, they should be creating another one. But those are equal lows right there. 950 and 956. Look how equal those lows are right there. They're a little staggered, but you got all equal lows at 954. Yeah. Yeah, YM is definitely going. Say what's that again? Oh no. Um, so I'm looking for 956. Yes. Let's see if they want to go ahead down. I'll add if they give us another SMT down there. They keep rolling. That is freaking awesome. Uh, we are currently doing pretty well straight, actually, with these two contracts. Can't complain about it at all. That would have been a perfect trail out for today. I don't want to say that I'm greedy, but these kind of plays usually keep going. You might have a slight pullback, but on the second pullback, you usually get a slingshot that sends you a little bit higher. So I'm going to hold this, and I think I'm going to hold both of these today if they keep going. I'm not gonna let off the gas with these here today. I'm not gonna pull off. I think I'm gonna hold these. I'm not gonna be fearful of coming back. This account is gonna do what it does. I was already down on this freaking account, but let's see how it goes. I'm not willing to fucking lose it. I'll keep starting until I get it right. This was a perfect entry though. So even with a trailing drawdown, we would have been okay. So my next move is definitely. Let me see something real quick. Um, nope, looking at the 30. Nope, nothing on the 30. Okay, 30 still looking good. Yeah, everything still shows up, bro. I'm expecting one big fucking wick, bro. Coming down. They usually fucking do some dumb shit. Uh, but my stop loss is all the way down there. So it is what it is. Bro, you can do whatever you want to do, bro. If you going straight outside the line of parameters, bro, you're on your own. You're gonna have to make your own decisions. I thought you said you were aggressively trailing, bro. That's on you if bro. You're gonna have to micromanage your own trade. I can't micromanage your trade from here. Well, you know the criteria. It has to be a gap down and a close above. You should be looking for that, bro. That's the only way you should be entering. It ain't just because I got an SMT, I'm gonna enter. It's, yeah, it's got to be some kind of gap down, bro. So if you get it, then I mean that's on you whether you want to do it or not, bro. That is a you thing. I already did my part. You out? Oh, okay. That's cool. Oh, okay. 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 Yeah. So yeah, I get it. Well, if they give you a gap down, your stop loss goes up under the gap down. So there ain't no differentiation between that. I'm only using my stop loss so low on this first one to give me time to let this thing go. And plus, they gave us those stupid ass candles in the beginning. But on the SMT, it's below the SMT on the ATT. You know what I'm saying? And the gap down. As long as it's below the gap down and it's an ATT time, it goes directly up under. As long as it closes up under fair value gap, there ain't no extension to. Oh, well, I need to put it lower. No, if it comes back down, you don't want to be in it. Is what I'm saying at the SMT. You don't want to be in it because it shouldn't be coming back down anymore after the SMT. After you get a gap down and it closes back above volume imbalance. You see what I'm saying? So I'll take off one of these if they break this high again. Depending on how they break this high. If they break this high, I don't know if they will right now because we're still early. Macro is coming to an end first. Macro. I would like to see them shoot this bitch up, but uh, it is what it is. Knowing these motherfuckers. Uh, YM just fucking threw a big ass fucking wick to the bottom side. You know what? I ain't fucking with it. I'm gonna leave my start loss where it is. Whatever happens, happens, bro. It is what it is. I ain't fucking. Yeah, yeah, yeah. No, I know there's gonna be another one. Matter of fact, where is it at right now? Is it already happening? As a matter of fact, it looks like YN is giving it right now. Well, I won't give fucking lows and MQ to be fucking split. I mean, you can't have everything you want, but goddamn, bro, they don't fucking do that to you. We're at 10:04. Yeah. As soon as somebody gives the same thing again, I may add one. I don't know. I mean, it depends on how it looks. It's got to be within reason. This was a good trail out though for this morning. I do think it was a great trade. I mean, YM gave us the perfect entry. Close above, gap down, close above, delivered 937 candle, which we talked about prior to. So that was pretty fine. So YM just gap down. YM just closed above all the fair value gaps, too. Shit, that's a parameter. That's on you, bro. I'm not going to because I got those lows down there at 956 and 950. I'm not entering that, bro. It could go. That's fine because I'm still in, but that 956 shit, that is not gonna fly in my book. I'm sorry. I'm a fan of those ATT times, bro. You have lows on prime numbers, bro. And if it comes back down there, I'll definitely be in drawdown. But I mean, it is what it is. I ain't fucking tripping about it. Matter of fact, they look like they're allowing me to take off one right now if they go back to this fucking high. Wanna go up to it? If y'all go up to it, I'll take one off. Yeah, I'll leave one. If y'all blaze through it, then that's gonna be a different ballgame. Okay, y'all blazing. All right. I'm gonna still take off one. It says I'm gonna trail one aggressively.
Stop field.
Table. Boom. And the other one, my stop loss is below the damn fucking 950, dude. I gotta keep it right there for at least another fucking at least another 10 minutes. Damn. Really? Okay, then that's cool. I ain't tripping. Shit. Ain't tripping at all, brother. 950. I don't even want it to come back down there, dude. Matter of fact, you know something? Yeah. We gonna put this up under the 1007 candle. That's what we're gonna do. So I'm not about to lose anything. Look, this is a free trade. All right. So free trade on the table. Uh I still don't like those lows down there, but I ain't got to. But you know, it is what it is. Hmm. I guess that would have been the second entry with the gap down. So look what happened on YM with the second gap down and the S&T on the bottom. And see how you could have gotten into the other trade. I ain't saying you should have. I'm just saying to understand how you could have. Because YM gave it. Matter of fact, it gave it twice just now. One at 10:08 and then another one at 10:11. Well, I'm on the 15 second, but it gave it. I mean, you can't. I don't even know what it showed on the one. Hold up. I know you on the one. Oh, it didn't even give it on the 1 minute. Damn. Okay. I mean, it gave a gap down, but it haven't get it close it back above that volume imbalance. If it closes above the volume imbalance at 10:11 and shit, uh, it's still good to go. Even with that red candle print right there, even if it closes at the body of the first candle, if it closes below that body, then you got a problem. Okay, yeah, you got a problem. Shit. Yeah, that's fine. But you still now you need the gap down and the close back above. Volume imbalance. Yep, right there. Yep. Immediately, preferably, definitely preferably. Definitely ain't fucking with it because of those fucking other candles over there. Man, fuck that shit. Not fucking with it. They should just start throwing green candles right now. That'd be fucking awesome. Yeah, YM just did exactly what it was supposed to do, but shh, gotta be aware of all the other shit. That's for sure, bro. I ain't gonna just ignore that shit down there. Not after I've seen the shit day after day after day after day. No, I've seen them leave this shit and come back down there and get that kind of shit right there. 56, bro. So uh, after what? Are you talking about the first time? Yeah, that's fine. We're playing the system, but there's still that variable. If it comes down, you'll understand why. If it doesn't, then you won't understand why, and then it kind of like yeah. I get it. Day 14 is a low. Yeah. I wouldn't be surprised if they throw a fucking goddamn fucking that shit like they threw yesterday, man. They threw that big ass wick 10:30 to tap everybody fucking out. I wouldn't be surprised if they do that shit right now and then keep on fucking rolling up. Uh, you know something? I'm about to let y'all come on. Yeah, I wouldn't be up under the fucking 10:14, bro. Especially if this fucker right here close above now. If this close above, then shit, yeah, 10:14. But I'm already there now, so it is what it is. But I got it. If it comes back down to that that 956, 950, I'm looking for a re-entry on the fucking damn NQ, bro. I mean, unless a 30 second show me something through the blades through the bottom side, and I found an entry down there. But uh, this trade was pretty fucking goddamn fire. Can't complain about it. Fucking what on the day? That was already fucking down earlier based on me fucking up. Come on, knock me out if you don't knock me out. That's cool. That's 10-17. Yeah, damn. Miami's too fucking hell of a fucking week. And they fucking swept the same lows that I was talking about. I'm fucking sweeping. No, it didn't. Oh, no, it didn't. That was a 10-07. Okay, we ain't coming there for you. But yeah, if NQ comes back down, I'll pull your trigger on it, dude. And this is why we hold trades for goddamn duration because of this shit right here. Because that shit right there will scare you. 10-12, 10-13, 10-14. You'd be like, oh, well, they look like they maybe turn around. Then you start aggressively trailing. Then people start aggressively trailing. They knock them out, then continue on. That'd be cool if they could, but shit, I ain't fucking goddamn tripping if they don't. I'm already good. This trade was perfect day. I followed every fucking parameter to get in. I'm fucking proud of myself. And I'm gonna do it again tomorrow. That's it. There ain't nothing else. Log that shit in the fucking goddamn books and be consistent with the entry. That's it. That's all you can do. And then work on the secondary with the SMT. I'm gonna work on that shit a little bit and keep watching it. Uh, I haven't practiced enough with it. That's for sure. I definitely want to get some other reps in with the re-entry. Yeah, that's cool. That's cool. Come on back down to 51
Stop field.
and the fucking 56 candle. That's what we need to do. If it does, you're gonna understand why I've been saying what I've been saying, bro. They don't leave prime numbers on the low. I mean, it ain't got to necessarily come get it, but if it does, you're gonna understand why they don't leave prime numbers on the lows. And then you'll be aware of it to make sound decisions, whether they work or not, or whether they come get it or not. You know what I'm saying? But you'll know for your own log records to be like, okay, these motherfuckers. You got the gap down on the 1 minute from where I am right now, dude. That gap down 1 minute and it just blazed up through the freaking top. It'd be cool if NQ could just go out of whack for a little bit, come back down, get that low down there, and then fucking I will gladly enter down there if they give me a gap down there. If they give me a gap down at those equal lows down, relative equal lows down there, bro, and close back above volume balance, I'm immediately entering. 1020 is a ATT time. That's on you, bro. It ain't where it's supposed to be for me to enter. It ain't where it's supposed to be for me to do it. I mean, I want them to sweep those lows that they have on not prime numbers. That's what I want. Yeah, bro. I'm not entering this without them sweeping that low, bro. And they can keep on going. No, YM gave a sweep. YM did give a SMT. So technically speaking, YM did give it. But I'm not taking it because of those lows are not prime numbers. That's just what it is. And they could keep going. And I'm good. I done had a good trade today. I'm not taking this shit, bro. I mean, but technically speaking, the SMT happened. Second SMT happened right there with YM already. You know what I'm saying? Technically speaking, you probably could have entered. You know what I mean? Technically speaking, but with them lows over there, bro, I ain't fucking with it. I'll live to fight another day tomorrow. Today's trade was perfect. I mean, it'll mean something if it shows you something. I mean, they might want to leave them. Shit, I ain't fucking tripping, but they can leave. They can leave that shit going without me today. I'm good. I'm chilling. First macro is done. Uh, YM did get the second SMT, and that is probably the entry right there at 1020. I ain't sitting here bullshit you at all. But whatever, it is what it is, dude. I'm good. I'm fucking got it. That was a perfect trade. That was a perfect trade. And the object is to take our ass on about our business. That's what our object is. Only way they can let me in the market is down there. That is the only. There is no other way I can get in the market except for down there. So I'm gonna draw a line down there, put a ray, and then I'm gonna watch what happens here in the next macro, and that's gonna be it where I'm at. I mean, that's a long way fucking away, but shit, I done seen worse. I done seen 4 or 5 red candles drop down into shit like that. So I ain't, yeah, I'll put a ray on that and just leave it right there where it is, and then see what fucking happens. If they come back, I'm in. I'm in, bro. But if they get fucking 2, 3 green candles, they're gone. This right here is still in play. You know what I'm saying? And you're creating an inside bar right up there. At the top. Oh man, yeah, they might be taking off. Shit. If they put an inside bar right here, especially if it's 2 green candles. Shit, if it's 2 green candles right there, you might put it there. Come on back down, bro. That's what I need. I need you to come back down. I don't give a fuck what you do. I'm gonna talk to you, and, I'm afraid they come back down. And shit, hopefully they oblige me. They oblige me for it. We're gonna be doing it again. But I'm only putting one contract. I already got what I need for the motherfuckers. Since they had me down for the next last fucking shit, I made some fucking mistakes. Put on fucking 3 fucking micro minis the other day. Fucking down there, blew the fucking account. Not paying attention as usual. Slowing down. Fucking up shit. Mm-hmm. 25 low. That's that fuckery, bro. I don't buy that, bro. They got too many. Mm, mm, I don't buy that shit. You're not fucking about to trick me with that shit. Go ahead, throw your green candles. I'll tell you what I'm about to goddamn get off. That was a good trade today. Logging off. We had the perfect trade on stream. That's a wrap for me on live. Check the recap if you see the video. Watch how we got in based on YM closing above the volume imbalance down here at 952. 952 was our entry. So that was the entry was damn near immaculate. Damn near immaculate. And we got in at the very fucking bottom. 953, my bad. 953 was the closing. So we got in at 953. It was a red candle on NQ. We immediately went into fucking profit. It came back for a tiny bit of drawdown, but after that it was done. So, but yeah. Have a good day. Hope everybody has a good trading day. Peace and blessings. All right.